Choosing the right material for picture windows is especially important in Conway, where the climate brings a mix of hot, humid summers, occasional storms, and cooler winter months. A well-selected window material doesn't just improve how your home looks, it directly impacts comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term maintenance. If you're considering installing or upgrading picture windows, understanding your material options will help you make a smart, lasting investment. Vinyl. Affordable and energy-efficient vinyl is one of the most popular choices for picture windows, and for good reason. It performs exceptionally well in climates like Conway's, where humidity can take a toll on certain materials. Vinyl windows resist moisture, meaning they won't rot, warp, or corrode over time. From a customer perspective, vinyl offers excellent value. It's typically more budget-friendly than other materials while still providing strong insulation. That insulation helps keep indoor temperatures stable, reducing strain on your HVAC system during Conway's hot summers. Another advantage is low maintenance, no painting or sealing required, just occasional cleaning. Fiberglass. Durable and weather-resistant. If you're looking for a step up in durability, fiberglass is a top contender. It's designed to handle temperature fluctuations without expanding or contracting significantly, which is ideal for maintaining a tight seal year-round. Fiberglass windows are particularly beneficial in areas prone to storms or strong winds. They're incredibly sturdy and can withstand harsh conditions better than many alternatives. For homeowners who want long-term reliability with minimal upkeep, fiberglass delivers peace of mind. While the upfront cost is higher than vinyl, many customers find the longevity and performance worth the investment, especially when factoring in energy savings and reduced repair needs over time. Wood. Classic beauty with considerations. Wood picture windows offer unmatched natural beauty and can elevate the overall look of your home. They're often chosen for their timeless appeal and ability to complement traditional or high-end designs. However, in Conway's humid climate, wood requires more attention. Moisture can lead to swelling, warping, or even rot if the windows aren't properly sealed and maintained. Regular painting or staining is necessary to protect the material. For homeowners who prioritize aesthetics and are willing to invest in upkeep, wood remains a strong option. Some modern wood windows also come with protective exterior cladding, which helps reduce maintenance while preserving the classic interior look. Aluminum. Sleek but less insulating aluminum windows are known for their slim profiles and modern appearance. They allow for larger panes of glass, making them a popular choice for picture windows where maximizing the view is a priority. However, aluminum is not as energy efficient as other materials. It conducts heat more easily, which can be a drawback in Conway's hot climate. Without proper thermal breaks, aluminum frames may lead to higher energy costs. That said, aluminum is highly durable and resistant to rust, making it a practical choice for certain applications, especially if paired with energy-efficient glass upgrades. Composite materials. The best of both worlds. Composite windows combine different materials, often wood fibers and polymers, to create a product that balances strength, efficiency, and aesthetics. These windows are designed to mimic the look of wood while offering better resistance to moisture and temperature changes. For Conway homeowners, composite materials can be an excellent middle ground option. They provide durability similar to fiberglass, improved insulation, and less maintenance than traditional wood. Making the right choice for your home. Ultimately, the best material for your picture windows depends on your priorities. If you want affordability and low maintenance, vinyl is hard to beat. For maximum durability, fiberglass stands out. If aesthetics are your top concern, wood or composite may be the way to go. No matter which material you choose, investing in high-quality picture windows tailored to Conway's climate will enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal for years to come.